We found a bunch of gold and we found these bracelets.
What does it say?
Look, I have the iris. Kiss me, I'm Iris.
Oh my gosh.
Let's see.
Happy St. Patrick's Day.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And a lot of gold dust too. Tried to trick you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, that's a lot of money.
Alright, let's go. We'll walk up a little ways more until Gideon can't handle it anymore. He's coughing a lot. Alright, you have to give some bracelets to Luke.
Yeah.
Share.
Wait, there's 3. Oh, they probably thought Gregory was going.
Oh.
You can save it for him.
I picked the
Let Luke pick first.
This